Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to send your Photography Studio brochure to customers on WhatsApp via Facebook lead ad. So let's take an example that you run a photography studio and you have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you are running Facebook lead ads on that page. So whenever someone clicks on those ads, a Facebook lead ad form will get open. Now, you want that whenever that Facebook lead ad form is filled, your Photography Studio brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your customer from your Facebook lead ad forms, compose a message in WhatsApp, attach the studio brochure and send it to the customers. This will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes impossible when you have hundreds and thousands of leads in a day. So how you are going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your Photography Studio brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customers. But here there is one problem, that there is no direct connection between Facebook and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Facebook page, my clicks, and this is the Facebook lead ad form. Okay, where I have asked for the full name, phone number and email address of the customer. And this is the WhatsApp number of a customer. Now I want that whenever this particular form is filled, automatically a message along with a brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. So let us fill this form first. Here I am going to give the name as Adam Smith. Let us give the phone number over here. And let us send the email. Let us give the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com, and let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now let us check the WhatsApp whether the customer has received a message or not. And here we can see a message. Hello Adam Smith, thank you for showing your interest in my clicks. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our photography studio. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Website address is given. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, my clicks. Okay, now let us click on this link and check what is there in this link. Okay, I can see a PDF file is mentioned, photography.pdf. Okay, so a photography brochure is shared with the customer. So here you might be thinking that I just filled a Facebook lead ad form over here and automatically a message is sent to the customer along with the PDF, that is the photography brochure. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So let me show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads. Step 3. Send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook, the same data will be used and a brochure of your photography studio will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customers. Here we are going to use 360 dialog application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way we are going to create an integration between Facebook and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us check this in the real time. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll just click on sign in. Now here in the All Apps section, scroll down, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as Send Photography Studio Brochure on WhatsApp. So here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement. I'm just giving the name as Send Photography Studio Brochure on WhatsApp. And let's click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the Facebook lead ad form in Facebook page, automatically the message should be sent on the WhatsApp number along with the studio brochure. So in the trigger application, we are going to select the application as Facebook lead ads. Let us select this. Here in the trigger event, we have to select new lead. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection and connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. Okay, and now Facebook lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect. So here we are done with the step 1, that is connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. Okay, now let's move to step 2. We have to collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the page and the lead generation form. For that I'll just take you to my Facebook page once. So this is my Facebook page, my clicks, okay, and this is the Facebook lead ad form, okay, my clicks, this also. So here I'll go to Pabbly Connect and here in the page we are going to select my clicks. Now here we have to select lead generation form. So here as you can see I have created only one form, that is why only one option is there. If you have multiple forms over here, then you can select the form which you want. I'll be selecting my clicks, okay. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to create an entry. We have to fill the form, just because after clicking on save and send test request, the latest response will be captured. So let's go to Facebook lead ad forms and here let us give the full name as Shikha Arya. Let's give her phone number over here and let's give the email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com. Now let's click on next. Submit. Okay, and the lead has been submitted. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and now we are going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so here we can see the responses received and the full name, phone number and the email address of the customer is captured over here, that is Shikha Arya. And here we can see the field data. The data is also captured in the array format. Okay, so here we are done with the step 2 also. Now let's move to step 3. So at step 3 we have to send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. Okay, so we have to make a connection with WhatsApp using 360 dialog application now. For this, let us scroll down, come to the action application and here we have to select the application name as 360 dialog. Here in the action event, we have to select send template message, then click on connect. Again we have to click on add new connection. Now we have to give the API key and domain name. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account. Move to the WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. So first we have to go to 360 dialog account and then we'll be moving to WhatsApp account page. So I'll take you to my 360 dialog account over here. So this is the dashboard of 360 dialog account. I have added the link of 360 dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 dialog application and get 360 dialog service at a very affordable price. Here we have to come to WhatsApp accounts and here we can find the generate API key option. You have to click on generate API key. You have to generate the API key, copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Okay. Now I want to give you an important information that once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for different workflows and for different connections. We don't have to create the API key again and again. Okay, I'll just go to Pabbly Connect once again. Now here we have to give the domain. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. Okay, an example is also given. So let us copy this example and I'll be just pasting the example over here. So whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. I have also received the same domain name, so I'm just pasting the same over here. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here. Once you have filled the API key and domain name, then click on save. As I have an already existing connection with this particular key and domain, so I'm just using my existing connection and I'll just click on save. And now 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see the template option. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So let me tell you, template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number. So I'll take you to my 360 dialog account once again. And here we can find manage templates option. Let's click on this. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook and then only the template can be used for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So for that we have to create a template and we have to select a specific template. Okay. Now here you can see I have created so many templates. If you want to create a new template, simply click on this plus sign, add template. A window will appear over here. Here you can give the template name. Here you can select the category. Various categories are available over here. Here you can select the language as per your choice. Here you can select the template type. And here you can give the body of the template, the text, whatever you want to send. And then you have to click on preview and submit. And your template will be sent for the approval. Okay, and once the template is approved, then you can use the same template. So I'll be choosing the template which I have already created and got it approved. So I'll be selecting this send brochure final template. Let us open this. So this is my template. Here you can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, these numbers in the curly braces. So these are simply the body fields, the parameters which are going to change. Okay, that is why we have kept this in the curly braces. Now let us read the template first. Hello. Then here we want the name of the customer. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your studio name or your organization name is going to reflect. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our studio name or the services whatever you offer that can be placed over here. Here you can give the link. For more details, you can visit our website. Our website address can be given over here. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards. And here again, your studio name is going to reflect. So let us select this template over there, send brochure final. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here in the template, let us select send brochure final. Now here the namespace and language code is automatically captured. We are not going to change anything. Here we have to give the recipient mobile number. So the recipient mobile number will be the number of the customer which we have got from Facebook lead ads form. This one we have to map this now. Let's scroll down. Here let us map the mobile number. This one. Now we have to give body field 1, example Heather Ali. So here in our template the body field 1 was the name. So let us map the name over here, Facebook lead ads, and let us map the name. Body field 2, example is given Pabbly Connect. In our template body field 2, thank you for showing your interest in. Here our organization name or our photography studio name is going to reflect. Let us type my clicks over here, my clicks. Okay, body field 3, let's move back to template here. Meanwhile, you can check the brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our photography studio. We can type photography studio over here. So let us type photography studio. Okay. Okay, I'll just check the spelling once. Okay. Now, body field 4, here we can see a link is given. So, here in the template also we can give the link. So, the link of the brochure can be attached over here. I have saved the brochure in my Google Drive. Okay, it is getting open. This is a photography brochure. I'll simply make a right click over here. I will click on share, and here we can get the link. We can copy the link, click on copy link option, link is copied. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and we can paste the same link over here. Okay. Now we can give body field 5, that is the website address is mentioned. Here we can see we have to mention the website. So we can just go to the Facebook page. From here we can simply copy the website address. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect and let us paste it over here. Now last parameter, body field 6, and here the 6th parameter is thank you, regards, and here we have to give the studio name once again. So I'll just copy the studio name from here and I'll just paste it over here. Okay, and now let's click on save and send test request. Now here we can see the responses received. So let's go to WhatsApp and check whether we have received a message or not, whether the customer has received a message or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp and I'll just refresh this page once. Okay, so here we can see a new message. Let us open this. Hello Shikha Arya, thank you for showing your interest in MyClicks. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with the message where you can find all the services which we offer in our photography studio. Okay, so the same message has been sent which was there in the template. Okay, this message. Okay, here the first parameter was name and second parameter was the studio name. So in the message also the first parameter is name mentioned correctly. Second one is also mentioned correctly. The third parameter was photography studio. Fourth one we have given the link. Fifth one we have given the website address. And the last one is MyClicks, again the studio name. So in this way we can see that all the parameters are working fine and the message is properly displayed to the customer. Now let us click on this link and check what is sent on the link. And here we can see photography.pdf, a PDF file is shared. So this is the PDF file which we have shared with the customer. Okay. And here we can see that the correct message along with the link is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now let us move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. So now let us check this in the real time. For that, let us move to Facebook lead ad form once again and let us fill this form first. Let's give the full name as Sanjay Sharma. Let's give the phone number over here and let's give the email address as sanjaysharma28@gmail.com. And let's click on next. Let's click on submit. Okay, so the message, form has been filled. So let's move back to WhatsApp and check whether Sanjay has received a message on his WhatsApp number or not. And yes, here we see a message. Hello Sanjay Sharma, thank you for showing your interest in MyClicks. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Okay, the same message along with the link is sent on the WhatsApp number of the Sanjay Sharma customer also. Now let us check the link also once again. And here we can find photography.pdf. The correct link is mentioned and the correct brochure is shared with the customer. Okay, so now let us move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the Facebook lead ad form, automatically the photography studio brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.